Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, good evening to Mr. Rudy and Ma'am Nova. This is my fourth video. So, yeah, the fourth video.
Okay. Okay, next.
So, this video is gonna be talking about family.
A family.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but first of all, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Yusuf Arsila, but usually my friends call me Yusuf. And I am MS96 student. And about the family, can you tell me about your family?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
So, there are 1, 2, 3, 5.
One, two, three,
people.
five. Five.
Five people in my
Five
family.
people, okay.
Yes, my mother, father, my older brother, my older sister, and I am the last child.
The last child. You are the last child.
Yes, the last child.
And then, can you tell me about your brother?
My brother. So my brother has been married.
Your brother has been
Yeah,
married.
Yeah, he works as a, I forgot, but it's like event events manager. I think event manager. He
Oh,
works
he is
in-
a manager, events manager.
Yeah, it's
Ah.
like that.
And then,
Then he has been working for 2 years.
oh, 2 years.
2 years.
Okay.
Yeah, and he has got one daughter.
One daughter.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
He was just married one last year.
Last year.
Yes, last year.
So when will your turn for
No,
marriage?
not yet. I don't think about it. I'm too young. To
I'm
get
too
married.
young, but it's not.
Yes.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. How about you?
No, I will. I don't know.
Uh,
It's like 2 or 3 years later. Okay. And you said that you are the last. You're 5. Then
Yes.
who is another one?
Another one. Do you mean
You said 5, right?
5?
You are the last.
Yes. My mother, father, sister,
Sister,
brother,
brother.
and me.
Your
Yes.
sister
Sister. My sister.
has been
Is
married
the-
too.
Yes. She has been married too.
She.
Yeah, she has
Not
been
here,
married.
right?
Yes.
She has been married. Okay.
She has been married and she's got 2 children.
2 children.
Not just 2 children. They are ladies.
Ladies. Okay, ladies. Okay. And then
Ladies. My my brother and my sister got ladies.
got ladies.
Yeah, I'm wondering of having another gender.
Okay. Maybe after graduating from BSc, you can try
No,
someone
no.
like this one. Will you marry me like that?
No, cannot.
Why?
I'm-
Why cannot? Why?
I'm too young.
No,
don't-
no, no. It doesn't matter about the age. You know that.
But it's about money. You know
Money.
money. I don't work.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
make it after
Yes.
this.
Yes. Amin.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then you said that you're from house. About your mother, can you tell?
mother. So I can say my mother is the kindest person I've ever met in my life.
Oh my God,
Oh
why?
my God.
Why?
If my mother watch this video, I'm gonna say I love you, mom, and I miss you.
After this, you have to send this one.
Oh,
to
no,
you.
no.
Yeah, you
I'm
have
shy,
to send.
I'm shy.
No. It is no.
She
It's
will.
like you
she
can.
will laugh out loud.
It is like, oh, my son can speak English like this one, and it's she will be proud of you.
Ooh, I
So
think
can you
yes.
tell me why the kindness?
Because no matter how many times I make mistakes,
Making mistakes.
Yeah.
And,
he always she always forgives me.
forgives you.
She has really kind heart.
Kind heart.
And when she said something to me, it's always heart touching.
Touch your heart. Okay,
Yeah,
heart
touch
touching.
my heart.
Okay. And then how's about your father?
Father,
Hmm.
I considered my father as the wisest man I've
Wisest.
ever met in my life.
Why?
Ah,
Do you have the
why?
reason? Do you have?
The reason because he always advises me.
Oh yeah, you give advice.
Yeah,
from-
gives me advice
And then
whenever I am.
how's about your maybe after this? Let's talk about this. After this, you will marry, and then can take a lot of advice from your father.
Yes.
And then how to make money, you can tell your father. Father,
Yes. How to make money?
how to make money, not
Yeah.
how to make.
Ah, I know that. Yeah, I don't have to ask my father. Okay.
But actually, it does because he has the experience.
I'm not a mistake.
No, you are not this thing because you are a process. With my
Wow.
process. Oh my
So
god.
of course I will ask for my father advice.
And then who will be your partner?
Oh, not yet.
Not
It is still blur.
Bourbon. But maybe next week you will get maybe or maybe two.
Oh, who knows? Who knows?
Who knows?
Maybe,
Who knows?
maybe.
Or maybe tomorrow.
Yes, because I have a crush to someone.
Yes.
Yes.
You can get it.
Ah,
Here?
man. Yeah, not here.
Not here.
Yeah, somewhere.
I
Because
see.
no ladies is here.
No ladies.
Do you
Ah,
get my joke?
I know. No ladies in here. Astagfirullah. Okay.
Alright. I think we have been speaking for more than 5 minutes.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
I think we can end this video.
yang makan sini dulu ya.
Thank you. So let's end this conversation. It's been really nice talking to you,
Okay,
Mr.
it's
Yusuf.
really nice.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time. And plus, we say thanks so much for everyone who watched this video. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.